From Live 5 News.
Happy Friday and happy weekend. Finally, the end of a work week. We've had some ups and downs. We've been tracking the tropics all week long, and finally, Ophelia is formed off in the Atlantic and no major issues for the low country. So some good news there. For our Friday evening, looking live outside, it is quite cloudy. It looks dreary. I know we're not seeing a lot of sunshine. We did wake up with a little bit of sunshine this morning, but clouds from Ophelia moved in pretty quickly today. Had a high temperature below average again because of those clouds. 80 degrees. That was it. If you like fall, you're probably loving how it's feeling right now. 84 degrees, that's our average high temperature. So trending about 4 degrees below average. Here's the cloud coverage that's swept in really from Ophelia. And as we zoom on out, you can see the center of the storm. Now finally seeing a little bit of convection while it's still over the ocean. But just look at that rainfall covering a good portion of eastern North Carolina there, especially along the coastline. We know how it is here in the low country, especially if you've been through one of these. Just band after band of rainfall. So those folks are in for quite a soggy 24 hours as this system eventually makes landfall along the coast of North Carolina, right around the Outer Banks, maybe just south of there. We'll keep you alert to that as it happens. It should occur overnight into early tomorrow. But once again, no major issues here other than maybe some light rain. Scattered showers, definitely a possibility. If you are heading out late tonight, I'd maybe have the umbrella in the car just in case we get some of this wraparound moisture. Could also see that by tomorrow afternoon. I'm thinking that really the air at the surface is going to be too dry for any of this to actually get through. But either way, don't be surprised if it stays a little dreary looking tomorrow. Very nice for Sunday, though. A beautiful end to the weekend in store. How much rainfall are we talking about? Well, thankfully, the center of Ophelia is really far enough to our northeast that we're not expecting much. Look at our gradient here. That is a quick change from 5 inches to the north in North Carolina to almost a trace for a good portion of the low country. So very low rainfall amounts expected from this one. Current temperatures, if you're heading out for your Friday plans, maybe just getting some dinner or heading out and about, we're in the 70s for most of the area. The wind speed is also helping with that cooler feel, that fall-like feeling out there. And you can see that northerly flow ushering in from the circulation of Ophelia is cooling us off. That'll continue throughout the evening. Friday night lights forecast kick off 75 degrees towards the end, right around 72. The slight chance of a shower, but really many of us will stay rain-free. If you see a few raindrops, a few sprinkles out there, don't be surprised. We do have that system off to our north. Overnight low temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s. A cooler night, a cool start tomorrow. If you're getting up early on Saturday, it will be fall by the time you get up, by the way. Equinox arriving right around 2:50 in the morning, 82 degrees tomorrow afternoon. In the afternoon, we really should improve, see a little bit of sunshine. Sunday, a beautiful day in the 80s. Next week, staying a little unsettled, but at least temperatures will stay seasonable in the 80s.
It is week 5 of Friday Night Lights, and tonight's matchup, a Berkeley County rivalry featuring a team that's had to overcome some obstacles and tragedy this football season. Our Summer Hector live now at Philip Simmons High School, where they host Bishop England.